Hello, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life. Welcome to the channel. I have for you a video that I am just excited to bring you because it's all about Advent calendars. More specifically, one from Makeup Revolution. Now, they have put out 5 calendars for this holiday season, but I just have one for you, and it is the Ultimate Glamour Collection 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. And spoiler alert, if you don't want to know what's inside, you probably should tune out right now. But if you're interested, I'm going to pan down shortly to the calendar and we're going to go through each one of the boxes and maybe do a few swatches. So like I said, if you don't want to see what's inside, I advise you to tune away right now. Well guys, this box is currently selling for $49.60. It has over $80 worth of products inside. Some products are new and some are exclusive to Makeup Revolution. So you might want to consider this Advent calendar as a gift to yourself or a friend, because it's a tasteful way to count down to Christmas without all the calories, in my opinion. The box is gorgeous. Let's take a look. It's a pretty blush pink with rose gold. It's a reusable box, and it has again a mixture of new and exclusive beauty products. Okay, so here we are with the Advent calendar opened, and as you can see, the boxes are not numbered, so you can start wherever you like, but it may have a domino effect if you do. So why not start at the top? What they did do here is they labeled them with what's inside, so it's really no surprise as to what you're getting, but you don't know what shade or what formula you're getting. So let's start here with the top one. Let's take it out, and it says Illuminating Fixing Spray. So that's the first item, and it's a full-size product. It is Makeup Revolution's Illuminating Fixing Spray Fixator, and you get a full 3.38 fluid ounces. So that's the first product. That box, how cute. And next we have a mascara. And here it is. I've never used Makeup Revolution's fixing spray or mascara, and this one just says Makeup Revolution London, and it looks like a full size, and it doesn't say anything else so that I'll know what type or formula it is, but that's okay. A first for everything. And next we have an eye primer. Oh boy, we're getting a whole entourage of things. Look at that. Eye base. It's the Ultimate Eye Base Eye Primer in medium. That will work. Wonderful. I'm getting a feeling like you'll be able to do an entire Christmas or / New Year's Eve look. The next one says lipsticks, and with an S, not just one. Maybe 2. And beautiful packaging with a lip on the end there. Ooh, and a rose gold. They're really staying true to the theme. Let's see, this one is in, ooh, they have the shades by the lipstick. You can kind of see the shades there. Look at that. That's perfect for me. I'm going to love wearing that. Take a look at that. Oh, gorgeous. I love that. And the next one is just as nice. More of a nudie color. Both pretty colors. Next is a brush set. Now, does that fall down there? No. Okay. It's cleverly designed. You get a set of 3 brushes in this beautiful rose gold box here. Guys, I don't have any Makeup Revolution brushes. Not that many Makeup Revolution products at all. And look, they stuck with the theme. How revolutionary. Nice. Nice brushes. Okay, so this one is more like your shader or angled brush. This is your flat brush. Now these brushes don't look like they're for hooded eyes in particular. They're just your standard brushes, but you'll make them work. And a blending brush. Very nice. Aren't you proud of me? I'm getting to know my brushes. Okay, next I can already see what's in this box with the open window here. They didn't put plastic on it. It says lip gloss, but you can already see it right there. And you get 3 beautiful colors for the holiday season. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful color. Like a silver. And you have a nude or neutral. And I think they look nice or correspond to the lipsticks. Quite nice. Oh, guys, I've had this box and I've been sitting on it since October. But I thought it was time to open it up to give you a chance to see what's inside in case you're interested. This is a shadow palette. So eyeshadows, I believe. I love these little boxes. I'm going to make use of these. Okay, your first eyeshadow palette. Let's put that over there. This one is called So Bothered. There are 4 colors in here. And they are not named. So this is what they look like. So pretty. Let's see. I think they look like they're going to go nicely with, ooh, gorgeous, with the lipsticks. That one swatched kind of poorly, but it's a lighter one. Let's go over in a gold. Kind of iffy with that one. Seems to be lots of oil in them. And another pink. Not bad at all. Pretty packaging. Let's move the boxes out of the way and make room for the actual product. Let's put that one right back here. And there is another box with shadows in it. A 4-pan shadow. And this one is gorgeous too. Look at that, it's a little deeper. Alrighty, so let's put that on this hand. Here's a beautiful, is this a shadow palette? Underrated shadow palette, yeah. And this one again was called So Bothered. Okay, nice deep color there. Deep brown. Pretty medium color. And this gold color here. Ooh, nice. These are so creamy. Now that last one is sort of, no, not the same. Nice, pretty colors in these 2 palettes. Okay, we have 4 more boxes to open, and let's get with it. Here is another palette. It's a bronze and contour palette. Oh, my goodness! You know how I like a contour palette. Wow! Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous! Oh my gosh! Look at that! For every complexion out there. I think so. Definitely got me covered. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And then you have your contours and you have 2 highlighters here. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Makeup Revolution. I'm a happy girl. I am happy. This is a treat. Another palette. This is a full-size Revolution makeup palette. Oh my gosh. And it is Reloaded Ultimate. Whoa! I love that veining in rose gold there. Look at that. I think if I wanted to gift this to someone, I could, and I would still have enough right there for myself. Or if I hadn't swatched those, I could gift those and keep this one for myself. Either way, I'm a happy camper. I'm so happy. Makeup brushes, lip glosses, lipsticks, eyeshadow base, mascara. Oh my gosh, fixing spray or finishing spray. Oh my goodness, another palette. This is a shadow palette. Woo! Whoa, do you get your money's worth? Oh my goodness, you do, you do, you do. How nice. I think I'm addicted to Makeup Revolution's Advent calendars. This one is Reloaded Glorified. Look at those colors. They're perfect for almost any holiday. Wow. Look at that orange. I'm not going to swatch that one either. They may be gifts. And the last one is another palette. Whoa. Not 2, not 3, but 5 eyeshadow palettes. Or is this a blush palette? Maybe this is a blush palette. It's a blush palette, I bet. Yes, blush and highlight. So 4 eyeshadow palettes, 2 quads, and then 2 larger ones. What do they have? 2, that's 3, 1, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 shadows. Oh my goodness, if you don't find your blush in there, you're not going to find it anywhere. Look how gorgeous. Some shimmers on the top and some mattes and maybe a satin on the bottom. Gorgeous. I'm keeping this for sure. I am a happy camper. Look at all you get in this Advent calendar box. You could do your whole face. Yes, you could. All you need is a foundation and a face primer and maybe face powder. But girls, you are covered. Makeup Revolution. This is a perfect Advent calendar. Perfect. And like I said, this is only one of 5 that they offered. I think one of them is sold out, but I don't think you'll miss anything with that one. I think you'll be more happy with this one, at least I am. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. I think the quality may be questionable for some people, but if you want to look to take you for the holiday, out visiting your friends or anything like that, I think you'll do fine with this. I think you will really do fine. And to have the brushes included, oh, you could not ask for anything better. Now to get some other companies to do something like this at a reasonable price. Because everybody makes a box, it seems, but you have to spend well over $200 for their boxes. And I'm not doing that. So this is my speed right here, and yeah, I'm going to stick to this speed. You know, I'm going to, of course, try out the product and see if it's worth it. I have tried out some Makeup Revolution products, and I am happy with what I have thus far. But I think this is just really nice. Really, really nice. I can't say that I have any complaints, except for maybe get them back in here. Get the empty boxes back in here, but I think I'm doing all right. Yeah, these should go here. Those should go there, and then I'm ready to line up, I think, with these. I think I have everything. I don't think I dropped anything on the floor. So here we go. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Am I missing one? I must be. It's got to be around here somewhere. On the floor somewhere. But guys, this is my box, and here it is. I see it fell in my bag. That's why I missed it. There was one more for the bottom, because it's bigger. We want it to look pretty, so let's put it, let's see. Let's lift everything up and Put it right in there. There we are. There we are. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope I haven't spoiled it for anyone, but do consider this lovely advent calendar, or one of them, as a gift for yourself or a friend without all of the calories. You're getting a sweet deal, again, without all the calories. I love it. If you haven't subscribed to Accessorize Your Life, I invite you to subscribe because I'm just having a ball over here. I enjoy finding new products, using them, and letting you know what I'm using, and having fun with collabs and reading your comments. Guys, thank you for being here with me. It has been a wonderful year, and I hope we can go into next year just having a blast as well. Remember, a smile is your best accessory. And guess what? There's one more piece that's missing. I see. I thought it was looking kind of funny. I dropped these, I shouldn't say drop them. I threw them down in the chair and they went falling all over the place. There's one more box. Let's get it in there. Why not? That's why it's looking kind of shabby is what I wanted to say. There we go. There we go. She's looking good now. All lined up except for right in there. But yeah. And there's all the products. Oh, I don't think I have to open these. I think you can see clearly what they are. But oh, everything is so nice. So nice. And it's still available if you're interested. Makeup Revolution 2021 Advent Calendar. And this again is the Ultimate Glamour Collection, 12 Days of Christmas, for $49.60. Okay, that's it.